guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy that you're here. I hope you're doing amazing. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning. I'm also sharing a grocery haul with you guys and a yummy dinner recipe that I tried out for the first time. So I hope you're excited for today's video, and we're going to go ahead and just jump right in. Alright, you guys, we're going to go ahead and start off by cleaning up the living room. We had tons of toys down here. It was dusty. I want to wipe off the surfaces and all of that stuff.
I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me.
The weather has been so nice here in Arizona. This is definitely my favorite time of year as far as the weather. So I wanted to go ahead and open up the window and get some fresh air in the house. So I was sent some new products to try out, and I actually first discovered Blueland on an episode of Shark Tank, and I was super impressed with their mission. Their products are effective, convenient, they're super affordable, and sourced from clean ingredients. Unlike your traditional liquid cleaners that are sold in single-use plastic, with Blueland, all you need to clean your house or your hands is a nickel-size tablet. Blueland uses no single-use plastic in any component, from bottles, tablets, wrappers to shipping. Their products are vegan and cruelty-free. They're also made with clean ingredients and made without ammonia, VOC, soy and nut, chlorine bleach, or paraben. You're just going to drop one of the tablets into the water bottle, put the nozzle on. You don't need to shake it or stir it or anything. You just wait for a few minutes for it to dissolve. And then what I got in my Blueland kit was a multi-surface cleaner, a glass and mirror cleaner, along with a bathroom cleaner and a hand soap, which I love the glass hand soap jar. So instead of buying individual products or hand soap, you can get a kit that's already 20% savings. Plus I have a code for you to save an extra 20% off, and you get everything at once delivered to your door. So I will have their information and the extra 20% off down in my description box for you guys to check out.
There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Every moment tonight, they led me to you.
So I'm just doing a quick tidy in my office, and then we're going to go ahead and vacuum the floors using my Yeti. I really like this vacuum because while it's cleaning my floors, I can do other tasks around my house and multitask. It's like the true definition of multitasking. Then I go ahead and just move my rug out. I don't have it there when it vacuums, and I like to shake it out just to make sure I get everything out of the rug on the floor, and then the Yeti can go ahead and vacuum it up.
Make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone.
So I've been really trying to keep up with our paperwork and our mail, and right on the counter here I actually have a pile of mail that I wanted to go through and throw it in the recycle, and then keep whatever important papers that we need to keep.
I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest power.
Another thing that I have been keeping up with is organizing or reorganizing my cabinets as I put new dishes in there. My pots and pans cabinet will get really disorganized if I don't keep up with it. So I've been making an effort to reorganize it whenever I need to put more pans back in there.
May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else so it can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put a song that we both know.
If you're enjoying today's video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. We have a really positive and uplifting community here. I love to share homemaking videos, so you're going to get a lot of cleaning motivation, cleaning tips, cluttering, organizing, some home decor, and just a little bit of mom life and just trying to take it one day at a time. If you are into that type of content, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos.
Cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend that time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind. Put the pedal to the floor, flame your lighter, take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. Cause we will still be high when the lights out.
So now we're going to go ahead and clean my sink with some Bon Ami. I've been using this for years. It is a non-abrasive product and it does a really good job of just cleaning up that grime and shining your sink.
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money?
So I'm going in with my Therapy Clean stainless steel cleaner. It cleans and it polishes. I just went ahead and sprayed all over my refrigerator. I'm using a regular microfiber cloth, rubbing it in, cleaning it, and getting it shined up and all of those fingerprints off of the refrigerator.
Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do. When the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the upside? We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday.
So now I'm going to use the Blue Land glass cleaner on my sliding glass door back here. It gets so dirty. If you have a dog, you know how it is. And also just dust and dirt from outside. For this window, I have to have a good quality product to do the job. So the first thing I got for snacks are these Zone Perfect protein bars. They're 14 grams of protein. This one's 10. And we have the strawberry yogurt, and then we also have the chocolate chip cookie dough. That was Ava. You want to say hi? Hi. And then I went ahead and grabbed these Danimals, and we have the strawberry and strawberry kiwi. Ava loves these. And then right here we have some sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. Ava wants to show you the taco seasoning. Then I went ahead and got this big bag of chips. I typically get these. There's 18 in there. I went ahead and bought some of this Chobani Flip yogurt. I do buy this yogurt typically, but I have never tried the s'mores. So we'll give that a shot. This is a value pack of 4. And then bananas, avocado. I eat avocado almost every morning for breakfast. Grapes. We love some grapes. And then we got some Diet Dr. Pepper and Diet Sprite queso. Then I got some salsa, which I love. Salsa, we got some tortilla chips. You want to show them that? What's that?
Pop-Tarts.
So some strawberry Pop-Tarts. And then I had to get some butter. I grabbed some hot dogs and then sour cream. I get the light sour cream. Then we have some bacon right here. I like to get the thick cut. And bacon is super expensive these days, you guys. Like, more than we've ever paid for bacon. I also went ahead and just grabbed some sausages. I know these are just you can put them in the microwave, but they're just fast and easy. So I grabbed those. And then some milk. We get 2% milk. I wanted to try some more keto cereal. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been trying some keto cereals. And this one I've never tried, but I did go ahead and get cinnamon again, but this is some cinnamon vanilla. The whole family loves this cereal, but I'm trying to replace this. I don't eat cereal often, but I want to if they have like healthier options. So then we got that one. Then we have some Captain Crunch berries. I should have got bigger boxes, to be honest with you guys, but this is what we got. So then I went ahead and got some of this naan. We love this naan, it's really good. And 2 loaves of bread. My husband loves these type of burger patties or burger buns. So these are the Aunt Hattie's potato hamburger. And then just some ballpark hot dog buns. So we did get some Famous Dave's barbecue sauce, rich and sassy. We used to get this all the time, and then I haven't seen it for a while. I saw it online when I ordered, and I went ahead and picked some up. Let me know if you've tried this. So I did grab some Thousand Island, which is my favorite. I accidentally ordered blueberry, which I love blueberry, but the family likes the plain ones, but we're just gonna have to deal with this. So now next is the Texas toast. This is 5 cheese.
I want it.
I know. So we did get 2 DiGiorno pizzas. These are the thin crust, 2 ground beef, this boneless beef loin flap meat steak. And then I also picked up some Angus roast beef. And then I went ahead and picked up this boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then I went ahead and got some more boneless chicken. So then we got a red onion.
Now we got shredded cheese.
Yep. And then we got some spinach.
And then lettuce.
Lettuce. I already said red onion. We got our cherry tomatoes. I've been eating tomatoes almost every day, you guys. I used to hate tomatoes like my whole life. And all of a sudden, the last couple of years, I've really been eating more tomatoes. And then last but not least is some gold potatoes. So that is all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. So today I'm going to be sharing an easy crispy chicken parmesan recipe that I found on Pinterest. So if it looks like something that you want to try out, I will have that recipe linked down below.
I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. With my own doubts, be free with me.
So this new dinner idea is definitely going to be a staple in our house. Everyone enjoyed it. It was super good and easy to make. Let me know if you try this recipe. I will have it in the description below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video with a little bit of variety in it. Also, don't forget to check out Blueland. I will have the discount code and their link down below. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.